Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson. State Farm, TrentIsMyAgent.com. Got the layers on today, I just cannot seem to warm up. And I'm sure some of you feel like that as well. The cold's kind of settled into your bones and you're looking forward to some warmer weather. And that warmer weather still looks like it is on the way. Now we've got a few more snow showers and some snow icy mix ahead, but eventually it's warmer with just plain old rain showers. And the thing is, as we thaw and crack these drier soils out, that rain will be able to penetrate through the topsoil and into the subsoil, because we've got some pretty decent moisture ahead. And you know, we're at a point we can really use it. We've had 6 months where 90% of our forecast area has had below normal rainfall. And the last time we had 6 months of below normal rainfall was way back in late winter through summer of 2012. So we could use the rain to replenish the subsoil moisture. Even a little thunder in this forecast with the rainfall as well. And then still looks like much colder weather late February to early March. 2 rounds of cold, the risk of getting more snow and ice, and then it turns much warmer come mid-March, but I do think it will get colder again in late March. I took this picture today of the old crusty, dirty snow, but a little bit of a dusting on top of it from some of the snow showers that we had last night and this morning. I saw 1/10 of an inch here on the northeast side of Lafayette, a lot of trace amounts. Up to a 1/2 an inch here in northern Jasper County, and just a few random trace to 2/10, 1/3 of an inch amounts of snow. With temperatures that hit highs of 27 to 32 today, we're down to 25 to 30 right now. If you look close, way up here, there's a little patch of blue sky there on the NDOT cam at Covington on I-74, but it's still pretty overcast. The sky lightening up a little bit though here at the Fowler-Brookston exit. You'll notice though how the snow, not as much snow on the ground first of all. A lot of that's due to wind blowing the snow off these fields, but also the snow's been sublimating as well, and that is going from a solid to a gas due to dry air. And the last bigger snow that we had, and even the snow Saturday, it had a lot of air in it. It was very light, powdery to fluffy. When you have a lot of air in snow, not only will it sublimate very easily with this cold, dry air, but also it settles a lot as well. So our snow depths keep dropping, and this is a good example of that here as we see more and more bare soil here in the fields in White County, even though temperatures have been way below freezing and even below zero. There are some of the snow showers last night, this morning. We still have a few up here near Rochester, a few flakes around, and every now and then you get a flake or two. We even had a few bits of some very light freezing drizzle a little bit earlier in parts of our northern counties. The next clipper system will be diving southeastward and bring some snow showers scattered about tomorrow, maybe a few in a part of Wednesday, but the heaviest snow with this should be south and southeast of our forecast area. That said, there are the low clouds around. We are getting a few breaks here and there. Most of the clearing though has been just west of the state line. We'll get some breaks in the clouds tonight, but also perhaps a few little flurries and little snow showers around here and there. And I'm going to keep those into the forecast even for tomorrow. But the more organized, heavier snow is all down here. It's south and it's southeast of our area. Nonetheless, with a few snow showers around, it's not out of the question there could be a few localized light dustings or coatings of snow here and there. And that applies Wednesday evening right through Thursday to Thursday evening. Just a few snow showers at times, maybe a few dustings, coatings here and there, but nothing like an inch or 2 or 3 or 4 in terms of accumulation. But the wind will pick up. You do notice that, especially by Thursday and Thursday evening, very strong west to southwest winds. So with the winds picking up once more, any tiny bit of fluff or any loose snow blows around pretty easily. But Thursday night to Friday, there's another clipper. It's a vigorous one. It dives in from the northwest. The winds really crank up around that thing. Winds are strong from the southwest. Then they go to the north and northwest. This could bring some snow to part of the area. I think our northeast counties may get some minor accumulating snow from this, but if you're in the southwestern half of our area, more of just some bits of sleet, a little bit of freezing rain, and maybe just even a few raindrops from that system. And again, that is Thursday night right into Friday. But then we don't have to talk about ice or snow for a while because it's rain right here. This is closer to the 10th of February. I can't pin down an exact time, but this far out, weeks out, I can normally pinpoint a time period and what will likely occur during that time period, but I can't pinpoint exact hours and exact days. So that's what this, I have the word around up here. So this is around February 10th, maybe 11th. We get a wave of rainfall, not snow, and it'll be much milder with a strong south to southwest wind. Then we get towards like Valentine's Day, 15th, 16th period. More rainfall, even a little bit of thunder coming in. Look at that, and a strong southwest wind. Taste of spring in the air as the warmth comes in. It occasionally gets a little colder at times, not only for the upcoming weekend, but next week. It gets colder on a couple of days, but it's really the warmth that's going to win out. Note the temperatures running way above normal. This goes right up to February 17th. But also watch this. Yep, another round of pretty bitterly cold air will be coming in. So our temperatures will drop way below normal again, so much warmer. But then late February, here comes another shot of much colder air coming in from the northwest. Temperatures will support winter storm risk too. And I'll tell you why. First things first, there's your cold. Temperatures below normal. This is late February to early March, likely 2 rounds of bitterly cold air. But you combine that cold with above normal precip in the green. This is an active storm track that increases the odds of us getting another winter storm or two in late February and early March as well. But I do think mid-March will warm up and it's full-fledged spring before we get much colder in late March. And it wouldn't even surprise me if we get some snow in late March as well. Now, that said, let's go to Tuesday. After lows tonight near 15, a high tomorrow of 28, a few snow showers scattered about the area and flurries around, winds out of the north with wind chills teens to low 20s in the afternoon, followed by highs on Wednesday at 25, just a couple snow showers here and there on Thursday as well. The wind really cranks up Thursday night to Friday, with some snow in the northeast, otherwise a little wintry mix, albeit light in the area. And then it's dry Saturday, Sunday, Monday. There are the two little bouts of bit colder weather. One is Wednesday, you see right there, and the other is Saturday. Here's the thing, here's the kicker. If we can clear the skies out on these 4 nights, then those numbers will be colder just because we've got snowpack around. Even if it's the cover is much less, when you've got a snowpack around like this, we still may increase the odds of getting temperatures in single digits or closer to 0. So if it's a clear, calm night, it's different, but it looks like clouds may hang on long enough to keep the temperature up to 10. But it's 36, not only Friday, but it's 36 on next Monday, and then rain showers in 40s, a little colder that a week from Thursday, and then beyond that, I think it's even warmer. It's going to rain, and temperatures running quite a bit above normal.